all I want my whole life through. Each day is just like Christmas. Anytime that I'm with you, you're all I want for Christmas. And if all my dreams come true, then I'll awake on Christmas morning and find stockings filled with you.
Sweetheart, sorry wala kasi akong kaya ibigay sa'yo kundi Christmas card. Pero di bale, andito naman ako, di ba? Mas mahal mo ako kaysa sa Christmas card, di ba? Pero meron pa akong isang regalo sa'yo. Ibubulong ko sa'yo. Do you know that I love you very, very much?
That I'll awake on Christmas morning and find filled with you.
iFM, ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango ng detergent ko.
Sa pabanguhan ng detergent with Fabcon, ano nga bang mas gusto? Ayon sa research sa Metro Manila, halos 80% ng mga misis mas gusto ang bango ng Pride with Fabcon kaysa leading brand even after 24 hours. Dahil ang Pride may tuloy bango microbeads para sa bangong tuloy-tuloy buong araw.
Tuloy-tuloy bango.
Kaya misis, tuloy na sa Pride with Fabric Conditioner.
Tuloy-tuloy bango ng Pride with Fabcon ko.
Ituloy ang bango with Pride. Pride with Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Increase your market share and revenues with Bitstop Network Services, where we help you lower your cost of acquiring new clients. With BNS, you can deploy tried and tested strategies that leverage the power of the internet that is proven to work for businesses like yours. Call BNS at 6375-522-5089 for a free online conference to find out more about how our innovative web solutions can help you succeed.
Lahat ng hanap mo nasa R-Shop General Merchandise sa Best Friend. Affordable dito ang kitchenwares, plasticwares, glasswares, Eurotech foams, blankets, curtains, towels, umbrellas, at hindi rin sila magpapahuli sa mga appliances. Dahil meron silang standard, Hanabishi, Micromatic at Eureka appliances. Sa R-Shop General Merchandise, dito, presyong pangkaibigan at swak na swak sa budget mo. Matatagpuan sila sa Iceland Building in front of BDO, MacArthur Highway, San Miguel, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Mapa-wholesale o retail, bukas sila dyan. Kaya ano pang ginagawa mo, punta na sa R-Shop General Merchandise o tawagan o i-text sila sa 0917-864-1444 o kaya naman sa 0925-56-2227. R-Shop General Merchandise, presyong pangkaibigan.
Tinatawagan ang lahat ng empleyado, mapa-teacher, nurse, driver, carpenter, pintor o kahit na anong trabaho meron ka. Pagkakataon mo nang ipakita ang iyong galing sa pagkanta. Magic Group of Companies presents Magic Idol Season 12. Working na, singing pa. Hinahamon sa kantahan ang lahat ng mga working people. Dapat 18 years old and above. Tara na sa screening dates. October 7, Saturday, 1 to 5 p.m. at Magic Club, Dagupan City and Magic Malasiki. October 8, Sunday, 1 to 5 p.m. at Magic Santa Cruz Zambales and Alamino City Public Gymnasium. October 14, Saturday, 1 to 5 p.m. at Magic Mangatram and Magic Agolonyon. October 15, Sunday, 1 to 5 p.m. at JTC Mall, Bantay, Ilocos Sur and Narvacan Mall, Ilocos Sur. October 21, Saturday, 1 to 5 p.m. at Pag-asa Sports Complex, San Jose City, Nueva Ecija and Magic Mall Tayug. October 22, Sunday, 1 to 5 p.m. at Magic Mall Urdaneta. Your chance to win as much as 50,000 pesos in the grand finals. Magic Idol Season 12. Working na, singing pa. Visit any Magic outlet now. Text or call 0929-875-9188 or 0932-863-4389 or like our Facebook page, Magic Group of Companies for more details. Sali na!
Magkakakulay na ang magdamag mo sa mga programang handog namin para sa'yo. Alas 6 hanggang alas 9 ng gabi, ang programang Best Buddy ng mga pauwi o papasok pa lamang. Handog namin ang mga kwentong kakaiba at kakatuwa talaga. Ay sa gabi with Dado Cancionero. Tuwing alas 9 hanggang alauna ng madaling araw naman, may best friend kang handang makinig at dumamay sa mga pagsubok mo sa pag-ibig, pamilya, kaibigan na nangangailangan ng payo. Ay Confessions with Casey Sandalan. May kasama ka sa saya at karamay sa magdamagan mo dito sa 104.7 iFM, ang best friend mo.
This is iFM.
iFM.
The music station of RMN. In Dagupan, 104.7. 104.7.
Hit after hit, iFM.
I know someday you need to find something that you left behind, something I can give you. All these tears, and like a light, love disappears, but hearts are good for souvenirs and memories.
iFM ay aking best friend.
It's beautiful life. Forever I'll stay by your side. It's beautiful life. Always standing right behind you. Beautiful life. 'Cause we're standing under the same sky. Even though we are worlds apart. Beautiful life, beautiful day. Though I am only living in memories. Beautiful life, beautiful day. Won't you let me inside your heart? Beautiful, my love. Beautiful, your heart. It's beautiful life. It's beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Is it forever, you and I? It's a beautiful life. I hope we'll never say goodbye. No, 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 no. Beautiful love. Your tears, your smile, it completes me. And always will until the end of time. It's beautiful life, beautiful day. I've never felt like this. It's crazy. Beautiful life, beautiful day. I will never wanna lose you. Beautiful, my love. Beautiful, your heart. It's beautiful life. Every moment spent with you stays in my heart, never fading. Even though we're space and time apart, memories of you, it keeps my heart beating. Sorrowful night, sorrowful day. I cannot take all this sadness without you. Sorrowful life, sorrowful day. How can I ever live without you? Beautiful, my love. Beautiful, your heart. It's beautiful life.
That song was brought to you by Columbia. Happy 80th year anniversary to Columbia International Food Products Incorporated.
That song was brought to you by Downy. New Downy Sweetheart. 5 pesos lang. That song was brought to you by Pride with Fabcon. Ituloy ang bango with Pride.
iFM ay aking best friend.
Mangibagay di ang babangil, pian wala labat sunibaga to. Nayari ka?
Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango ng detergent ko.
Sa pabanguhan ng detergent with Fabcon, ano nga bang mas gusto? Ayon sa research sa Metro Manila, halos 80% ng mga misis mas gusto ang bango ng Pride with Fabcon kaysa leading brand even after 24 hours. Dahil ang Pride may tuloy bango microbeads para sa bangong tuloy-tuloy buong araw.
Tuloy-tuloy bango.
Kaya misis, tuloy na sa Pride with Fabric Conditioner.
Tuloy-tuloy bango ng Pride with Fabcon ko.
Ituloy ang bango with Pride. Pride with Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
May magandang balita para sa mga mamamayan ng Pugalyon. Ano yon? Nagbabalik Nagbabalik muli sa ika-6 na pagkakataon ang Barangayan ng Pugalyon. Barangayan Season 6! Hindi mo na kailangan pang pumunta dahil dadalhin na nila sa barangay nyo mismo ang serbisyo ng munisipyo. Ito ang Barangayan Season 6, bringing public service right at the footsteps of your barangay. Hatid sa inyo ni Mayor Jumel Anthony Espino at ng LGU Pugalyon. Barangayan Season 6, basta Pugalyon, serbisyong champion, One Pugalyon!
Fulfill your American dream. Immigration Consultancy Services of St. Ilred increases your chance of being approved, particularly on base petition abroad to the USA, direct from their U.S. immigration lawyers based in New York City. You heard it right. Immigration Consultancy Services of St. Ilred guarantees you to the USA. They also offer all kinds of visa assistance like tourist visa, fiancé and spouse visa petition, assistance for the application of re-entry to the U.S., application of waiver of ineligibility or any grounds of inadmissibility, assistance for the request of humanitarian revalidation like death of a petitioner, U.S. passport renewal, dual citizenship, Child Status Protection Act, and consular report of birth abroad, assists police clearance abroad, and travel health insurance, assists all kinds of immigration problems. So, what are you waiting for? Visit Immigration Consultancy Services of St. Ilred at the second floor of CFM Building, Paris Boulevard, Dagupan City.
For more info, call St. Ilred Immigration Network Services at 0922-888-4438 or 0915-888-0367.
For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. John 3:16. Ang mabuting balita ay hatid sa inyo ng MX3. Mag-MX3 araw-araw para M-Extraordinary.
Abeless Glass Group Corporation gives you perfect time to choose your best design. Innovative glass, aluminum, accessories, only here at Abeless Glass Group Corporation. Introducing their Vertex brand, quality, standard, stylish, and guaranteed. Vertex brand offer the best services for you. For building and rebuilding, choose Vertex. Available in Abeless Glass Group Corporation. They also offers processed glass tempered, IGU, and laminated. Located at number 529 Diversion Road, San Miguel, Calasiao, Pangasinan. You can contact them at 099999-47420 or 653-7421. Magpapahuli ka pa ba sa iba? Dito ka na sa subok na. Basta Vertex, sigurado ka.
Oras hatid sa inyo ng Marigold Bookstore. Kung usapang office and school supplies at iba pang pangangailangan, sa Marigold Bookstore na pumunta. Matatagpuan sila sa AB Fernandez Avenue, Dagupan City. O tawagan sila sa 522-2328 or 515-2204.
Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. Oh, the morning sun and all its glory greets the day with hope and comfort too. You fill my heart with laughter, take away and make it better, ease my troubles, that's what you do. There's a love that's divine, and it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. Oh yeah. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my trouble, that's what you do. You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do.